Block confirmations are a critical security feature in Bitcoin that determine when a transaction can be considered final and irreversible. Understanding how confirmations work helps you assess the safety of received payments and protects you from potential fraud. A confirmation occurs each time a new block is added to the blockchain after the block containing your transaction. When your transaction is first included in a block, it has 0 confirmations. As miners continue to add new blocks on top of that block, each additional block counts as one more confirmation for your transaction. Let's visualize this with an example. Your transaction is included in block 800,000. At this point, it has 0 confirmations. When block 800,001 is mined, your transaction receives its first confirmation. When block 800,002 is added, your transaction now has 2 confirmations. This process continues with each new block. Confirmations serve 2 essential purposes. First, they provide protection. Each confirmation makes it exponentially harder for anyone to reverse or alter your transaction. Second, they establish finality. The more confirmations a transaction has, the greater the certainty that it is permanent and cannot be undone. This security increases dramatically with each additional block. To understand why confirmations matter, we need to understand the 51% attack. An attacker who controls the majority of the network's hash power could potentially reorganize recent blocks and reverse transactions. However, each additional confirmation requires exponentially more computational power to reverse, making attacks on well-confirmed transactions practically impossible. Different transaction values require different numbers of confirmations. For small payments like coffee or tips, 1 confirmation is usually sufficient. For medium transactions, such as online purchases or services, 3 confirmations provide adequate security. For high-value transfers, large amounts, or cryptocurrency exchanges, 6 confirmations are the industry standard to ensure maximum safety. Bitcoin blocks are mined approximately every 10 minutes on average. This means 1 confirmation takes about 10 minutes, and 6 confirmations take roughly 60 minutes or 1 hour. However, actual block times vary due to mining difficulty adjustments and random variations in when miners solve blocks, so confirmation times can be shorter or longer than these averages. Let's recap the important points. Confirmations measure transaction security and finality in the Bitcoin network. More confirmations make transaction reversal exponentially harder, providing increasing levels of protection. The appropriate wait time depends on your transaction value and risk tolerance. Finally, 6 confirmations are considered highly secure for most use cases and are widely accepted as the standard for high-value transactions.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.